guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a painkiller. So we have our mixing glass right here. We're going to put half of an ounce of cream of coconut in there, just like that. Then we're going to put 2 ounces of our pineapple juice. Then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our orange juice. Perfect. And then 2.5 ounces of our Oro rum. Perfect. All right, now we're just gonna shake it with ice. I've got ice in the shaker already. Put that all in there. All right, once it's good and shaken up, I like to also start with ice in the glass for painkiller. Sometimes they tend to over pour a little bit. So we're gonna start with a little bit of ice in there. Get that strainer. All right, perfect. Now we're actually gonna top it with a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg. And a cherry. All right, and that's a painkiller.